Hey, what's up? My name is Jenny J. I'm an online coach, personal trainer, and group fitness instructor. And in this video, we're gonna be doing a quick full body strength workout just using your body weight. Each exercise is gonna be 45 seconds on, followed by about a 15-second rest for a total of 2 rounds. All you need is your body and a mat, and let's go ahead and get started. For the lateral lunge to oblique twist, make sure that you are sinking your weight back into your hips, knee in line with toe, core nice and tight, keeping that chest up as you lunge down and then rotating from the obliques to get that nice ab and core twist. Now in these lateral lunges, you want to make sure that you are bending one leg deeply, the other leg stays straight. We're really focusing on your glutes as well as your outer thighs and inner thighs. In these hand release push-ups, you want to make sure that your body stays as straight as a board. As you come down, lift the hands off the floor, squeeze the back muscles, open up the chest, shoulders back and down. Then just like the same way you came down, make sure the body stays in a nice straight line as you push back up. Before I lose myself. For the hand swoop crunches, you want to make sure that your lower back stays planted on the ground at all times. Swoop those hands forward and back, trying to lift the torso off the floor. Hands touch the heels and slowly come back down. Make sure that your chin is off your chest and your torso is nice and tall. For the plank bird dogs, you want to make sure that your shoulders are stacked right on top of those wrists. hips are down. Opposite hand reaches as opposite leg lift off the floor at the same time. Try to reduce any wiggle in those hips. Keep that core nice and tight. Belly button to the spine. for working out with me today. If you enjoyed today's workout, make sure to like, comment below, and let me know how the workout went for you. As always, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new workout. Now, if you want that in-class experience where you feel like I'm teaching directly to you and giving you that motivation that you need, head over to jennyjfitness.com and start a 7-day free trial. You get access to cardio, strength, HIIT, yoga, dance, and so much more. So go check it out. New workouts are being added every single week. See you next time.